YouTube channel.
Today we are making a swing out of an old skateboard and some rope. And we also got some help again with a dog Maya, 6 months old.
7.
Yeah, 7. First, you have to make sure you have a nice spot in your backyard to put your swing. In our backyard, we found these 2 nice redwood trees to make our swing.
And we need to trim this pin a little and cut this pin off.
Yeah. For this project, you're going to need some parents' help and guidance because it's easy, but you still need parent supervision.
If you're making a tree house, it will be much harder.
We got our parents' help to tie this rope, and make sure you do this step with your parents.
This thing is good, but we're not done yet.
We need to clean the area. To show you more of how we built it, this is how we did it. With these 2 trees up on the top, we tied the rope around the trees and made sure that knots are really tight. And then the ropes come down to the middle where we tie 2 knots on each side really tightly. And then so it will come down all the way down here, and then it will be in a U shape on each side. So you can put your skateboard, like you can see, you can put your skateboard in between here, the wheels. This is what it looks like without the skateboard. And then you're gonna slide it in. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeeze. It's super fun, and you can go back and forth. You can go this way, and you also can go this way. And you also can go this way. Let's do some testing. Can you help me push me? Okay. I think it works.
Yep.
Bye. Thanks for watching the end too.
Like and subscribe for more content. Bye!